watching this thing before we go get it dirty. Just like with any guy, you know, this stuff has to be spotless before you go out and get it muddy and dirty. But we're gonna go to King of the Hammers for 2025. It's been a minute since our last video. We've just been building a bunch of stuff, which sucks. So we figured try to give you guys some good content. We got a bunch of buddies down there that have really good rigs. Then we're gonna go wheel. We've never been, so I'm excited. I always watch it on YouTube and sit there and drool over everything. But we'll see. Bryce thinks that this can make it up, Chocolate Thunder. We'll see, but we're getting her all ready to go, and we're gonna head down. It's about a 7-hour drive for us. But here's the first step of logistics, getting everything ready.
The not so fun part. Tractor on the trail, that's getting quite obnoxious. Baby flame. Pure chaos, huh, Paul? Yeah, pretty jump out here. There's a couple of boys out here sending it. They're going left, they should have went right, my guy. Got some winch action going on here. See how this goes. There's like 30 sets of headlights down there. This is insane. I guess that right there is a Polaris Pro R. Both stock tires, and I guess he's made it up like 3 times. So I don't know if it's really worth building a crawler. What is going on? Look at this. Dude. Bro, where are we? This thing is out here. So we're out here at camp. Everything's going pretty good. But Dakota likes to sleep in, and I have something to do about that. Wake up, dude! Can-Am is not a pre-runner. Doing a whopping 36 miles an hour. Pause.
Mom, this is Jet just told me he wants this for Christmas. You could do Christmas and birthday. Yeah, a 7 grand. Taxes, oh, with accessories, paddles. 10 plus. Jet says, hold my beer. Yeah, so this is Jet's first year, and this is Jet's 10th year. Oh yeah, this is the one that Polaris just released their new race spec that you can buy from Polaris. Pro R Factory. It's pretty wild.
Get into this for 140 G's. Check that out, look. Spare links.
Spare links, spare axle.
Pretty sure they have a spare drive shaft. Maybe? Spare belt up there.
Oh yeah. You're gonna have everything.
Spare axle.
Yeah.
What is that?
A jack?
That is a jack, yeah. Look at the nasty ass the Fox Live suspension sway bar end link.
Wow.
I don't even know what you can do. Maybe that's the disconnect, like a soul. I don't know.
Or like adjust the dampening of the sway bar on the fly.
Yeah.
Wow. All right, this is my style right here with the rooftop tent. After owning my Can-Am Defender that's on a long travel kit and portals and all that, I rode in one of these. I will tell you, buy one of these instead. These do so much better.
HCR took like the idea from the new Pro R
Oh yeah, through the
with
shop.
the clevis
Yeah.
type deal. That's pretty cool. I haven't seen one yet.
These Ranger Raptors are pretty wild. So I have a little work truck that's one of these new Rangers. I'll tell you, it don't look like this, but definitely very impressed with my Ranger. I can't imagine what one of these Raptors would be like.
It's on 37s.
Yeah. It's on. Is it on portals? Because what is this? Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Wow. Well, that's how you clear your sevens.
That's not there's no rocks there.
I was thinking changing. I'm going to wait for Jamie to come out right away. Oh, and we know me. You guys will find out here soon that I got a soft spot for bugs. It's 44s, turkey. What do you think the gear reduction is in the portal?
This thing's pretty nasty, but Taylor is completely ignoring the fact that there is a set of 3rd gen spiders on the back of that Dynamax. I think there's cool stuff in America, and you find out this is where we get our oil from. Makes sense now. Dude, look at the spare tire built into the side of the car. That is so crazy. Oh yeah, that all makes sense. Oh my god. Look at the ducts for the... I could spend a lot of time in there. Miller Lightning. This thing is so sick.
It's got your name all over it.
Oh yeah. Check that out, huh? That ain't no backyard build. That is for sure. 05s. Damn. That is gangster. That's crazy. Mind you, we're in the middle of the desert. Oh yeah. check this out. Full kit.
This is what speeding ones should have for suspension.
Yeah, absolutely.
But not quite. 52-inch long trailing arms.
Just crazy.
We're gonna do 5 laps. On go.
3, 2, 1, go! We got BSM coming into lap 1 in the lead, taking the berm pretty good. Looks like he's going the outside line. Taylor's going for the inside, riding really high. Yamaha is in the back. Oh, Dylan's in. Oh, Dylan. Okay, we got Black Smoke, Tin Guy. 3, 2, 1, go! Running tight, we're running tight, baby. Looks like we got a pretty consistent lead out of Taylor Swanson. Got Travis Sprudy trying to catch up in the back. Hard work and determination right here. Nothing but the best from these two. They're getting down. A little bit of spite. I'm tasting some spite.
You got it or what, dude?
Idiot. Idiot. We're in a parking lot right now. Oh my God.
kind of wraps up our weekend at Hammers. We decided to leave a little bit early because we heard Old Boone Road gets pretty crazy when everybody tries to get out. It could be like a 3 hour ordeal. So we found some rest stop here in the middle of nowhere. Hopefully no one takes our pit bikes because we definitely don't have locks for them. But pretty wild trip. I think we'll have to go back next year and maybe build something that can actually go over the rocks. See ya. So Bryce is freaking out because he just started screaming at the top of his lungs because he thinks a rat or a mouse or a giant spider crawled up his arm. So he's ripping this whole thing apart in the middle of the night to find it.
I still think you might have been paid by
No, it's not. I wouldn't let you do this. I'm trying to go to bed. But we'll let you know what we find.